Are you looking for the best car buffer polishers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car buffer polishers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Avid Power Buffer Polisher. The Avid Power Dual Action Polisher is a versatile tool that can be used to polish and remove swirls, scratches, and defects from all painted vehicles. It can also be used to sand wood or metal. The polisher has a powerful motor and a 6-speed control dial that allows you to adjust the speed according to the application. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip and the machine is easy to operate. The kit includes a polisher, 3 polishing pads, a pad disc, a detachable D-handle, a spanner, a hex wrench, and a user manual. At number 2, WORKPRO Buffer Polisher. Are you looking for a buffer polisher that can offer strong power and long life? If so, the 10-amp 1200W buffer polisher from may be just what you need. This polisher has a powerful motor that can handle the most demanding applications, and it also features a trigger lock function for added convenience. The speed settings are located on the top of the motor housing, and the polisher has 6 settings that range from 1000 to 3800 RPM. You can use a higher setting on harder materials and a lower setting on softer materials. A spindle lock button is also included for locking the spindle of the tool in a stationary position. This polisher comes with a D-style handle, 2 polishing bonnets, 2 polishing sponges, a pair of carbon motor brushes, and an Allen wrench. At number 3, Makita Polisher. The Makita 9237CX3 is a polisher that is designed for speed and comfort. The variable speed dial and trigger enables the user to match the speed to the application, while the constant speed control maintains constant speed under load. The soft start feature ensures smooth startups and less fling off of polish, wax, or paste. The rubberized loop handle and gear housing are designed for operator comfort and to help protect delicate surfaces from damage. The wire mesh intake covers help to prevent wool fibers from entering the motor. Overall, the Makita 9237CX3 is a great choice for those who are looking for a polisher that is easy to use and comfortable to hold. It is also a good choice for those who want a polisher that can handle a variety of different materials. At number 4, Dual Action Variable Polisher. The Porter Cable 7424XP Polisher is a great machine for those who are looking for a perfect combination of form and function. With its soft start feature, it provides easy control when turning on the machine. The billet counter weight ensures smooth, precision balance with increased durability. The digital torque management system electronically adjusts torque needed to maintain loaded speed level. The Porter Cable 7424XP Polisher is a great choice for anyone looking for a machine that can handle all their polishing needs. At number 5, Adams Swirl Killer Dual Action Polisher. The Adams Swirl Killer 12mm Mini is a versatile and powerful polishing machine that is perfect for removing swirls, scratches, and defects from hard-to-reach places. The mini polisher machine can also be used to scrub carpets and upholstery, or apply glazes, sealants, and wax. Easily polish and restore chrome, aluminum, and diamond plate metals as well. The movement mimics how our hand moves in an irregular circular pattern when polishing or waxing a surface by hand. Dual action polishers differ from rotary buffers in that rotary buffers have fixed circular rotation without oscillating the pad. The Swirl Killer Mini is intended to be used for spot correction of specific areas on a vehicle where a full-size machine polisher cannot fit. It is not designed or intended to be used to paint correct an entire vehicle but has the power to do the job and achieve perfection. The power cord is a soft rubber design that is 25 foot length for easier maneuverability around the vehicle. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.